right, so that was the law of cosines. Now we're going to do law of sines. So we'll go through this and then we'll practice here a little bit. I've got a marker, here it is up here. All right, here we go. Law of cosines. So the law of cosines of sines. Okay, this is a little different. This is all ratios. And what your ratios are sine A over A, sine B over B, sine C over C. Okay, so there's our ratios. Or you can flip them. So it's either way, but you have to have them all the same. So A sine A, B over sine B, or C over sine C. Okay, so you got two options. It just depends on what information they have, and then you just plug in using law of sines. Okay, so law of cosines, if you only have, so now use law of cosines when you have the sides and you only have one angle. If you have multiple angles, then you can solve and do it this way. So let's look at the first problem they give you. Okay, looks like so. 53, 45, A, C, B, B, A, and this is 12. So here we go. So we're ready. Across from C is 12, right? So we're going to do 12 over sine C. Now what? Now, what do we have? We have what over what? Okay, so we have A over sine 53. Now, question, can we solve for C? Yes, how? Add these together to get this. So 180 minus 53 and minus 45. So minus those. So add those together so you get 8. 98, so 180 minus 98 gives you 82. So our C is now 82. So what do we do to solve? Well, very simple. Cross multiply. So 12 sine 53 equals A sine 82. Divide by sine 82. Divide by sine 82. So A equals, take it in your calculator now. So what is sine 53? It's going to be around 0.7, okay, give or take, 0.7475, and then you hit sine 82, all right? So you get those decimals, and then you plug it in, 12 times the one divided by the other, and that's going to give you 8.6. I'm sorry, 9.7, sorry. Okay, so 9.7. So, next what do? Same thing, it's going to be 12 over sine 82 equals B over sine 45. Well, now we go ahead and solve. Okay, same thing. Sine 45, we know that to be 0.070. So we're left with B times sine 82 equals 12 times 0.7070 all over, so we divide by sine 82, and that's going to be B equals 8.6. Okay, so once again, what you're doing is you're plugging in, okay, taking information, plugging it in, and you're using your appropriate signs to be able to solve that type of a problem, all right? So law of sines, okay? So law of sines, all right? Okay, any questions on that? Any questions on that for now? Okay, so let's do another one, okay? Let's do another one here, all right? And we're going to skip example 4, okay? We're going to do another law of sines problem, all right? Just for practice, okay? It's one of the homework problems, but okay. All right, so here we go. All right, so let's do number 12. Yeah, number 12. So our drawing for number 12, it's angle A. Angle A is 45. Angle B is 60. And then we have a lowercase a of 7. And we're looking for B, C, and angle C. So real quick, can somebody help me find angle C? All right, so if I had a drawing, all right, A is 45, right across from that is 7. And we'll say B is 60, across from that is little b. C is, and we're looking for C, right? And how do we get our angle? 60 plus 45 is 105. 180 minus 105 is 75. So you're left with 75. All right, now what? So we got C. Now what are we going to do? Law of sines, all right? So sine, so we're going to do A, which is 7 over sine 45 equals B over sine 60. Cross multiply. 7 sine 60 equals B sine 45. Okay? So, so somebody help me out here for a second. What is sine? What is sine? Oh, sorry. We're looking for just C. They just want us to find C. All right? So if I just want C, what angle would I use? C, right? Which is 75. All right, so we're going to switch this to 75. Makes it a little harder because we don't have sine 75 memorized. But you're left with C equals, divide, okay, so we're looking for C, sorry. C equals sine sine 75 divided by sine 45. And that's going to give you a total of 9.6. Okay? All right, so once again, you should plug it in, put it in your ratios, cross multiply, and solve. That's how you do law of sines there. All right?